everybody, my name is Antonio, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you to my favorite places in my hometown. This is the second video of my hometown. You can check the previous video somewhere on the screen. I'm taking with me this beauty. It's a Fujifilm X Pro 3 with 23mm lens. It's equivalent of 35 in full frame. So let's go. This is the museum house. This camera doesn't have a screen that can be shown. The only way it's this. It's made for street photographers mainly. So I'll take shots in the viewfinder, which is my preferred way. This is one of my favorite houses here. This is one of my favorite houses also. The place we are going, it's of very high significance. It's the amphitheater of Ohrid. I'm not gonna take too many shots here because everybody have taken a lot of shots. This is a beautiful house, but unfortunately it's dilapidated. Something can fall off. This house on the corner is always beautiful, have been always beautiful to me. Yeah, this is the place, one of my favorite spots. This is the entrance to the church. I always love this tree, and especially with these shadows falling on the ground. It's beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful views for me in this city. It's very romantic. It's a protected tree. You can see even it's planted on 6th of April 1886. There is the grave of famous Macedonian poet from the 19th century, Grigor Perlichev. Maybe we can get something with this church wall, which is built in this specific, I think, Byzantine way. If you know what car is this, because I cannot see the logo, let me know in the comments. I thought it was a Renault, but nice view of the church with the Skoda in front of it. The car, Czech car. The interesting stuff about this is they were recycling everything in the past when they were building this. There were some Roman or from Hellenic times stone. They used it on the church when they were building it. I'll take a nice shadow here on the This is the end of the video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, you can subscribe and help me grow the channel more. And see you in the next one.